Welcome to Tradepronamics. This is a demo of purchases, so buying things. Sometimes you might want to pass over a levy to a customer, say an environmental levy, via the invoice. So what I've done here is I've gone into inventory and I've created a part, environmental levy, and I've put a cost of $30. That's what the cost price is. So and we've made a retail of $9. So it's $39, so it's a markup of $9. So there's the cost price there. Okay, so now if we go into invoicing, and I select a vehicle, I want to pass it, and the customer comes up with the details, customer details, etc. And I want to put some labour on there, so cooling system flush. I want to pass over the environmental levy. There it is there, $39. Okay, if I click on show cost, the cost column comes up and shows you that it cost me $30, and I'm passing it over to the customer at $39. Okay, there's the total profit there on the invoice, $49. This field is shown when you click on the cost button. Okay, because you don't want to show the cost to the customer if he's looking at the screen, so you just hide it by clicking on cost there, and it hides the cost and the profit. Okay, so I click, hides it, click again, it shows it. And all you do is you save the invoice. Once you save it, these figures here, the costs are included as part of the cost of the sale and the profit and loss, and it works out a profit and loss for you. So these are included as the costs, and that's the revenue, which is $39, so the profit is $9. Again, this is all done automatically, obviously, and it goes off the balance sheet, etc., all the statements and all that sort of stuff. All you do is you save the invoice. So you've recorded the revenue and the cost of your item in this instance. Purchases can be done in a number of ways. I'll show you a few ways. So we'll go into purchases. Say we want to purchase general business expenses, general business costs, like tools, maybe meals, or fuel for your personal car, or any general business costs. You can go into purchase. You select the supplier. Say supplier, in this case, it might be just a cash purchase. You can have any supplier you want. You just put in the quantity 1. So it was just general business costs. Okay, so it was $200. You can select your account, or you can leave it blank and it'll default to a default account that's been set up. So we'll select an expense account. We'll just say office supplies. Okay, I'll select office supplies, and that's purchase. So it's like an invoice, but this is a purchase invoice, which is opposite to an invoice. It does the same thing. It does the same thing as an invoice, but exactly the opposite to a supplier. And we can pay it off here by double clicking there. So there's paid today, or you can leave it blank to have it sitting there on credit, and you can pay it off later. You just go save. So that purchase has been saved. Okay, another way of doing a purchase is going into purchase cash book, and I'll just clear the screen there. Here I've created an entry called Visa Card May 2017. See up here? Okay, and what you do is you just keep on adding your purchases to the Visa card. So on these two dates here, the 30th and the 31st, I've purchased these items. Okay, so on the 31st, 2017, I'll just type in the first letter of the account there. There's nothing there that I want. So I want to, I've got some cleaning done at $100. Okay, there's the total purchases there on Visa card for that month. That's just a naming convention. I called it May 2017 Visa card. You just go save, and it saves it, and it's posted to all the books as well. The difference between this and the purchase invoice is that here that you do not record the supplier unless you just want to type it in as part of the description here. Now, once you've saved the cash book, you can't change these entries or delete them. Okay, all you can do is reverse them by putting a negative amount. If I want to reverse the cleaning, I'll just put minus 100 there and put it to the same account cleaning. Okay, I'll put it to the same account cleaning here. Okay, that's the only way you can reverse it. You can't delete these entries. Where with purchases, in the purchase invoice, you can delete and change entries. Now, a third way of doing purchases is going into banking and going to spend money and purchasing this way. So there's your account there, account 1. Pay to, I can just say select supplier. So it was Repco. It puts in their account in there. So I purchased $1,000 worth of goods from them. I'll put a check number in. There's a check account. I can change the purchase method as well. But we'll leave it as a check account. Check number. And just go record. Now that is another way of doing a purchase. So I've just showed you 3 ways of doing a purchase. Now, a purchase can be for general expenses. It can be for general business expenses, for tools, meals. You can even put bank fees in the cash book if you want. Bank fees is like a purchase sort of thing. Any expenses really is like a purchase. Okay, there's also a fourth way of doing it, which your accountant might want to use, is general journal, which uses debit and credit accounts. Okay, so if your accountant should be able to work that out straight away, or you might be able to know how to use that yourself, or you can give me a call and I can go through it with you or put a video up for you. Okay, thanks.